December 2016. Tell us about the journey so far.
Sure. So, good afternoon everyone, and thank you so much for coming out here to, watch the launch of our first Amazon India original. So we launched Prime Video in December 2016, and we made two promises to our customers. The first promise was to change the way how customers consume premium entertainment in India. And we did that in a few ways. One, we launched latest and exclusive movies and TV shows, kid shows, comedy, stand-up comedies on our service within a few weeks after theatrical release, within a few hours of their broadcast in the US. Movies like Aidale Mushkil, Befikre, Ghazi Attack, regional movies like Winner, Mr., Kabali have all launched on the service within a few weeks after theatrical release and many times even before TV. We launched our global Amazon originals in India at the same time as the rest of the world. Shows like American Gods, which are doing very well in India. We work with some of the best filmmakers in the country, like Rajamouli, to make the animated prequel to India's top grossing movie Bahubali, with Bahubali The Lost Legends, which is doing extremely well on the service. We listened to our customers and launched the Fire TV Stick to enable customers to watch on their big screen TV, and it is the best engaged device today on a customer per hours per month. And all of this for only 499 rupees a year. Less than 42 rupees a month, less than a plate of vada pav at Elko Market. And customers have rewarded us. Prime subscriptions have more than doubled since we launched video. And we're amongst the top 5 entertainment apps in both iOS and Google Play. And today, this is the first step in our second promise that we made to change the way how creators create content with the launch of Inside Edge, our first Amazon India original, working with Farhan and Ritesh. Customers can watch all 10 episodes on the day of launch, on the 10th of July, binge watching as they want, as they would go. And to talk more about the show, I'd like to invite Ritesh and Farhan to give you more details about Inside Edge. Farhan, Ritesh.
Ritesh and Farhan need no introduction whatsoever. I've been responsible for creating cult classics like Dil Chahta Hai.
Thinking about originals, so I said, okay, but whenever you do, give me a call because I have some ideas which we've been developing. And we started from there. So I think now, finally it's made it on the 10th of July. The first original will be out, and I'm looking forward to it.
Have you finished reading my script?
I was actually wondering why there's an exclamation mark after my name.
Because that's when you evoke Farhan. So tell us what Inside Edge is to you. Tell us what it's been for you discovering the project.
Well, to start with, it's really creating content and creating entertainment on a different platform. So you need to think differently. Also, the episodic nature of the show allows you to create things in a way you can't do in film. So it was a bit of a challenge because it's a new format for all of us. Digital is something that we do enjoy watching, but now that we're getting into creating it, you have to put on a different hat. You know when you're doing it.
Like the one you have.
Like the one I have.
I couldn't resist.
I was waiting for that. I thought I should have taken a pause once slightly. And then of course to have partnered with Amazon Prime and to get the freedom to be able to create the kind of show that we want to do with this. And of course with their help and support, it's been a tremendous journey.
Fantastic, thank you. Now that, please stay on stage. There's someone very important that we must call upon. And someone who's actually been on this journey for a while, but he started off with computer science, astronomy, art history, advertising, corporate films, it's not over, documentaries, features, television, and has now found himself in the director's chair. Any guesses? Anyone? Please help me welcome. Please help me welcome Karan Anshuman, everyone, the creator of the show.
Thank you, Sarah.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going? Excellent. I have extremely important questions.
All right.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I wish I had breakfast.
फिर से शुरू करना है?
मेरा जोक सर, मेरा जोक मतलब बिल्कुल
बैठ नीचे खाली बसना।
So what did you?
वैसे फ्रेम में नहीं आ रहा है मेरा।
Tell us what was your breakfast?
I've had breakfast in 3 months.
during the duration of the show, but nobody needs to know that. So tell us, what was it like to create an OTT show, and tell us about Inside Edge. Why was it special to you?
Well, I think primarily it was, it allowed for a lot of freedom. It's something that all of us really value a lot, especially these days. And the liberty to tell the stories that we want to. And it's just the little things, if you weren't shackled by any kind of creative restraint of any kind. And I think the fact that we are what is essentially like an 8-hour-long film is how we've treated this, and where the characters are very real, they speak in a very real manner, and just the kind of things you've been able to say in the show is something that one wouldn't be very comfortable doing on television or on film.
And you saved the juicy bits for the Q&A, right?
Absolutely.
Amazing. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I promised myself I wouldn't say that. Hi, folks! It's much more casual, right? The moment we've all been waiting for. Gentlemen, thank you very much. Are you ready to step in that world? Guys, would you like to take a seat? What's coming up is going to take a while. No, not there. On stage. We're not letting you go that easily. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to throw the stage open for Q&A now. If you gentlemen would please rejoin us on stage. Karan, Ritesh, Karan.
And say that we're looking at doing this kind of a series on the web, and to do it for the first time. And the world's changing. The world's changing the way they're consuming content. These two guys just don't change, Farhan and Ritesh. They stay young forever. I don't know what they have. But not only do they stay young physically, but they're also young in terms of the way they think. So they're ahead of the curve in terms of what consumption patterns are going to be for the audience of the future. And working with Amazon, Amazon's a huge brand. They're not only delivering even groceries to your home, but now delivering you the future with Inside Edge. So it was great. It was a no-brainer for me. And I loved the script that Karan brought to me. I loved the character of Vikrant Dhawan. I loved the whole all-powerful essence of that character. So yeah, I had fun doing it.
And Richa, you've been known to do things differently. What do you think the audience can expect that's sort of different from Inside Edge?
I've always kind of played characters that are unusual. So even though this is the most complex character I have had to play as of yet, it's still somewhat normal as compared to like a really angry, woolly Punjabi dude. Things like that. So in that sense, it's kind of normal, and I've played an actor for the first time. So being a performer yourself, there's lots of fodder there that we can use. We can play with our insecurities and give people a peek into our lives. So I've tried to do that. Let's see how convincing it is.
Angad, hi.
Hi Sarah, you look lovely.
Thank you, so do you. So your transition from your role in Pink with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan to playing the team captain Arvind Vashisht in Inside Edge, how special has this journey been for you?
The journey has been extremely special. Firstly, everybody as an individual wants to be accepted as an actor. To be here, to hold your own is extremely important. And I'm thankful not just to the film industry but the people here as the media is concerned to finally give me that acceptance. Second is obviously Farhan and Ritesh. I've been actually hounding them for a role for a really long time, and finally I guess it's come my way. Inside Edge, Arvind Vashisht, and he gives them a lot of respect. So I'm actually very fortunate because Karan gave me this opportunity. I wanted to play another role, honestly speaking, but he said, no, you fit Arvind Vashisht. And then I asked him, I said, as a cricketer, what do you like? Do you like test cricket or one-day cricket? He said, I like test cricket. So he's a purist. So I thought, ये show बहुत अच्छा जाने वाला है. So yeah, that's how I came on.
And Tanuj,
Yes.
your character causes quite the stir through the show. Tell us about your experiences.
Yeah, well, so far the teaser's out, and I think in those 30 seconds, you're right.
Pun intended.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it did cause quite a stir because of certain visuals, and I can assure you guys that there are a lot more stirs that is going to cause as we release more and more promotional material. Having said that, my character is, his name is Vayu Raghavan. He's this up-and-coming star player, and he's already a superstar in his own right. He started playing for the country. He plays in the PPL. He wears his stardom on his sleeve, and the problem with him is, even though he's exceptionally talented and he's got all the makings of being a great superstar in the future, he is always at odds with himself. And just his journey through this entire season, through this big tournament, how his off-the-field alliances have a very adverse effect on his on-field alliances, that's what makes this character very interesting. And I'm really thankful to Karan for giving me this role, because it's something, I mean, I'm relatively new. I pull this off, even at times when I thought I couldn't. It means a lot to me, and I hope that when this is out on the 10th of July, all of you all agree with their creative decision. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanuj.
Thank you.
Siddharth, so you're a rookie on the show, and apparently in real life too. Tell us about your experience.
Well, it was an incredible one, one of a kind, and this being my first project. And I would like to thank Farhan sir and Ritesh sir for giving me this opportunity to actually go and showcase my talent. And of course, Karan sir, because I mean, I still wonder how he could gauge Prashant Kanodia from what I am actually, and his visual faculty to extract the whole character out of me, which was quite a challenge. But yeah, blood, sweat, injuries, scars, slap, the one. It's been a wonderful journey, and it's been a fun and an exciting one because of this powerhouse of a man, Mr. Tanuj. He has a lot of energy on the set, and he never let me feel that I am an outsider, or whenever I was down, injured, exhausted, tired, he was always there to support me, motivate me. So thank you, Vayu Bhaiya.
Which needs a tissue, by the way.
Oh my God! अभी रुलाई का भी क्या stage पे सबके सामने?
अभी तो सब देखेंगे हमारा यार.
हाँ. No, the thing is, we kind of have a very mentor-prodigy equation on the show, and we didn't know each other prior to this. But I think now that's pretty much what we're following in real life.
Yeah, it's like he's my mentor.
Yeah. There's love blooming on and off.
Would you guys like to take a moment? Okay. Because I have one more question. You ready? You sure? Are you done?
No, I'm not.
No?
No.
We're done.
Moving on to, yeah, it was a great learning experience to share the screen with Mr. Vivek sir and Richa ma'am and Shayani and Angad sir, and a special mention to Amit Sial, who's sitting right there, and I don't think I could have pulled this off without him, because the reactions whenever he's bullying me or I'm not supposed to actually tell anything. Okay, anyway, so yeah, so there's a great chemistry, I would say, maybe between us. Much more than that, which is, yeah, so I think when the people will watch the show, they'll actually, and the 13.
Okay, guys, get a room, get me more eyes, yeah. Now I know who not to throw the questions to.
समाप्त हो गया, बस अब हो गया.
Thanks. Karan asked me if I watched a lot of cricket, and he said, maybe if you don't, you should start. And there's the India-West Indies test series that's happening. So I went back home, I switched on the match, and I saw, because I knew that they were wearing white clothes, and that's what they do in test matches. So I watched whatever was coming. Yeah, and tight commercials, but no, this was not a commercial, and people wore white clothes and they were running around and trying to bat. And 2 days later I met Karan. I said, I did watch it, you know. Karan said, but the series was called off the day I told you. So, watch a replay? Yeah, I watched a replay with no idea that it was a replay. So that's my cricket knowledge. I did try and watch more cricket after Karan told me to. And it was actually very hard because I don't follow the game of cricket.
कि अगर कुछ उनसे इंस्पिरेशन लिया हो आपने, और हमने सुना था कि आप लंदन भी गए थे कुछ मिलने।
हम तो जासूस है, जर्नलिस्टों के जासूस हो।
I think keeping जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है विक्रांत धवन, उसका रंग, उसका एसेंस रखते हुए इनसाइड एज में मुझे कहना पड़ेगा कि 10 जुलाई तक इंतजार कीजिए और देख के खुद ही जांच लीजिए।
कुछ तो बताइए।
जहां तक मैं जानता हूं, ये किसी की निजी कहानी पर आधारित नहीं है। प्रेरणाएं हैं जो पूरी जो क्रिकेटिंग की दुनिया है या लीग क्रिकेट की दुनिया है, उसके ऊपर कुछ प्रेरणाएं लेकर उस पर आधारित कुछ किरदार क्रिएट किए गए हैं। उसमें से एक विक्रांत धवन है जो एक मास्टरमाइंड है, एक पपेटियर है। संचालन पूरा वो करता है उस गेम का जो गेम के पीछे हो रहा है, जो बुकीज के बीच में हो रहा है, जो बेटिंग की दुनिया में हो रहा है, स्कैंडल की दुनिया में हो रहा है। एंड उसका एक रस है, उसका एक मजा है, अलग अंदाज है, एक ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट ऑल पावरफुल।
If I'm not wrong, आप फिल्म में टीम ओनर बनी हैं और आपके बारे में चर्चा, आपके कैरेक्टर को लेके भी चर्चा हो रही है कि एक रियल लाइफ एक्ट्रेस पे बेस्ड है आपका कैरेक्टर, तो कुछ बताएंगे?
अभी तो इन्होंने बोला, इन्होंने ट्वीट भी किया था 2-3 दिन पहले। फिक्शनल शो है, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स को भरपूर पैसे मिले थे कहानी कहने के लिए, तो उन्होंने असली कहानी अपनी फिक्शनल अकाउंट की लिखी है, बहुत मेहनत करके। सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। जाहिर सी बात है कि एक एक्ट्रेस प्ले कर रही हूँ जो who owns a team, तो थोड़ा कंपैरिजन होना आई गेस वर्क होता ही है, पर ऐसा कुछ है नहीं। मैं ये नहीं चाहती कि आप जब सीरीज देखने लगे फिर लगे अरे यार ये तो वो नहीं है। इट्स नॉट बेस्ड ऑन अ रियल सिचुएशन, इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली फिक्शनल शो और काफ़ी एंटरटेनिंग है, बहुत ज़्यादा एंगेजिंग है।
मैं बस कहने वाली थी कि इसलिए हमने साफ साफ लिखा है ओरिजिनल, Amazon original inside edge. So no, it's a fictional interpretation.
फरहान, एक सवाल आपसे कि विवेक अब वेब सीरीज कर रहे हैं, सैफ अली खान भी एक वेब सीरीज कर रहे हैं, हमने सुना है। बड़े बड़े एक्टर्स अब वेब की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, आपने तो वैसे प्रोड्यूस किया, तो कभी हम आपको किसी वेब सीरीज में एक्टिंग करते हुए देखें?
जी, मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि Amazon स्पाइडरमैन की हिंदी वर्जन बने। अंगद आपसे सवाल है, आपके सामने।
अरे उसको पूरा तो करने दे।
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज, स्पाइडरमैन का हिंदी वर्जन करेंगे फरहान।
अंगद आपसे सवाल है, आपका क्रिकेट से बहुत गहरा नाता रहा शुरू से, तो आपको लगा था कभी ऑन स्क्रीन कैप्टन बनना पड़ेगा और कितनी मशक्कत करनी पड़ी इस कैरेक्टर को निभाने से?
मैं बहुत टू बी बोर्न इन अ क्रिकेटिंग फैमिली, मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ। आई रियली फील दैट कहीं ना कहीं, हालांकि बचपन से मैं क्रिकेट को काफ़ी फॉलो किया है, अंडर 16 अंडर 19 एज ग्रुप की क्रिकेट भी खेली दिल्ली के लिए, लेकिन टू बी इन अ सिचुएशन टू रिप्रेजेंट द कंट्री, वो कभी सपना नहीं था। सपना हमेशा फिल्मों में काम करने का था। एक घर में एक क्रिकेटर रहे तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, कुछ और भी करना चाहिए। यहाँ पर हालांकि टू प्ले दिस कैरेक्टर, टू बी द कैप्टन ऑफ द टीम, कहीं ना कहीं एक जो आप सोचते हैं बचपन में कि हाँ यार मैं बड़े होके क्या करना चाहता हूँ, हर कोई हिंदुस्तान को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहता है, तो मैंने भी सोचा था कि अगर मौका मिलेगा तो हिंदुस्तान के लिए खेलेंगे। लेकिन अगर रियल लाइफ में नहीं खेले या रियल लाइफ में कप्तानी करने को मिल रही है, इससे अच्छी बात नहीं हो सकती।
अच्छा, किसका अक्स देखते हैं इस कैरेक्टर में, भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम में या आईपीएल की टीम में?
अक्स?
हाँ, मतलब रिलेवेंट किससे होता है, किस खिलाड़ी से रिलेवेंट होता है?
खिलाड़ी से? जी, ये किसी खिलाड़ी से रेलेवेंट नहीं है, ये करण की खुद की इंटरप्रिटेशन है। ये एक ऐसा किरदार है जो मैंने जितनी कोशिश की है कि मैं अपना सकूं। तो जहाँ तक आप जो भी देखेंगे अरविंद वशिष्ठ के बारे में, एक जो ऑनेस्टी देखेंगे, जो खुदारी देखेंगे, वो शायद कहीं ना कहीं आई होप मेरे में जो है वो मैं ला पाया हूँ। तो आप उस नज़र से देखेंगे तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है।
फरहान जी आपके सामने। जी हाँ फरहान, हमने देखा कि लोगों को बायोपिक बहुत ही पसंद आ रही है। एमएसडी के ऊपर बायोपिक लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आई, आपने मिल्खा जी के ऊपर की बायोपिक लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आई। क्रिकेट की दुनिया में कोई ऐसा प्लेयर है जिसके ऊपर आप क्या बायोपिक करना चाहेंगे? आपकी ऐसी इच्छा है कि हाँ मैं इस क्रिकेटर के ऊपर बायोपिक करना चाहूँगा, ऐसी कोई आपकी इच्छा?
वैसे तो मतलब बहुत हमारे देश में प्लेयर्स रहे हैं जिनकी कहानियाँ मुझे यकीन है मतलब बहुत ही दिलचस्प होंगी, बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग होंगी। एक तो इनके फादर को ही आप ले लीजिए, वुड बी अ वेरी वेरी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी टू ब्रिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन। कपिल देव जी वुड बी अनदर वन। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टोरीज हैं। मैं उम्मीद करूँगा कि दे गिव परमिशन फॉर पीपल टू शेयर देयर स्टोरीज, क्योंकि बायोपिक में एक चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी होती है कि
gone out there and really made a quality product to give it an international look, not just to say कि हम हिंदुस्तान के लिए बना रहे हैं, but I'm proud and I'm really happy and fortunate to be a part of a show that both XL and Amazon are endeavoring to take globally. हमारे यहाँ से बन रहे, हम बाहर के shows देखते रहते हैं हिंदुस्तान में. It's a great time for India when our content goes out there and looks as full on, and
it gives us an opportunity to enter millions of homes worldwide. I think what Amazon will be almost 200 countries.
Over 200 countries.
Over 200 countries you'll be in mainstream homes where it will be very difficult for them to even get to see your film. So I think it's a great opportunity for all of us as actors, filmmakers, everybody to get your talent to be and your shows to be presented into these homes.
Hello. Hi. Nitesh sir. The question is for you.
Hey.
What are your expectations from Inside Edge, since it's the Amazon Prime Video's first Indian original? So, what are your expectations?
Well, we think it'll be the best consumed show, not only on Amazon, but also across all video services. That's the goal. Our expectation is that it'll be the first step, the foundation of changing how creators create content, like the team just said, right? It's like looking at how you take the current TV series that we've created in India and upping the bar, raising the bar for that. So our goal is everybody should watch it. A lot of our customers should watch it. It should be the most talked about show, and globally, not only in India but over 200 countries and territories, it should be a show that makes an impact for bringing Indian talent to the worldwide stage.
Thank you very much. That was the last question for the afternoon. But there will be more pictures. I do like that. Thank you everyone. Inside Edge is coming to you on the 10th.